Well, I skipped number 7 because it's very similar to examples we've done. What we're now asked to do is use this graph, which by the way was probably pulled off of a TI graphing calculator for those who have them, to find the correct equation for this line. Well, it helps to make this big to see what information we can pick off. And so right away, one thing we can pick off is we got 1, 2, 3, 4. The point 0.04 appears to be the y-intercept. And that's a point on the line, and it's the y-intercept, in fact. So we now have got a point. In fact, we've got the y-intercept 0, 4. Well, we need another point. Now, we'd love the x-intercept, but this is not an easy point to get a real good lead on in this case here. It looks like, well, it's not quite halfway between 1 and 2, and so it'd be kind of difficult. So we want to have something where it actually ends right on a point. And it looks kind of like, and we may be off a little on this, I hope not, but this, if we go out 2 and down 2, so out to the point 2, negative 2, that takes us to a second point that's actually on this line. So 2, negative 2 is a second point on this line. Well, why getting those two things? Because if we have a point and a slope, we're good. We now have actually a choice of points, and we can find the slope. The slope is equal to, let's see, negative 2 minus 4 is our numerator. Y minus y. X minus x, well, the x that goes with negative 2 is 2. The x that goes with 4 is 0. And we are left with negative 6 over positive 2, which is negative 3. Now, that should be a steep negative line. That's not quite looking too steep, but part of what's going on is our hash marks on the y-axis are much closer together than our hash marks on the x-axis, so that's stretching the line out. The real slope of that line really does look like a negative 3. So with that information, we can go y equals mx plus b. Y equals our m, we've determined to be negative 3. X plus our y-intercept is 4. And we've got a slope-intercept form of this equation of the line. Let's see how well we did, because we were kind of closing off. So we have the equation y equals negative 3x plus 4. Negative 3x plus 4 is one of the options. Let's see if it's our correct answer. Awesome. There we go.